Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Wish I had something fun to talk about today, but I guess we get to talk about intellectual property theft and the general decay of civilized society. I got a comment in one of my latest videos that somebody said there was a Cold War Motors Facebook page. And of course, I've never been on Facebook, and I had no intention of having one. So I checked it out, and sure enough, there's a Cold War Motors Facebook page. I just want to let everybody know that this is a complete ripoff. It has nothing to do with me, and it is not endorsed even the tiniest bit by me. I actively loathe whoever's done this, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I don't want anything to do with this. I never wanted a Facebook page, and I'm extremely angry about this. While I was looking into this, I discovered that there's more than one. There's actually a couple of Cold War Motors fan pages, which are just terrific. I just love it. I'll put pictures of the cool ones here, you guys, and thanks to whoever started those. That's awesome. You know why? Because they're not pretending to be me. The fake Cold War Motors page, it says a fan page right on it, but then the perpetrator of this page is answering questions and comments as me. Their username is Cold War Motors, and people are believing that this person is me. So we just have to put a stop to this right away. That person is not me. All that they've done is taken my videos and chop them into 3-minute bits and repost them in the hopes that sooner or later it will be monetized and they can start making money by ripping off 16 years of my work. So I just want to let everybody know that if you see this, please stop in and leave a comment to the effect that this is a ripoff and report it as a fraud. Whatever we can do, I want this to disappear. I'm really, really mad. So you're probably not going to see this video on there, but maybe you will. Here I'll put up a picture of the fraud page, and you can see it says right there Cold War Motors, and you can see if you scroll down a bit that the person is answering questions as me. The person is claiming to be me. Even though it says fan page, technically, which probably makes it legal according to Google or Facebook or whoever runs the world now. So what else can we say about this? Yeah, like this is a zero effort bot thing that's been put together. If you see the latest thing they posted is my video about doing the photography for the calendar, and it says under the video photographing the Culver Motors calendar. Like, it's just such a low effort, presumably offshore bot scam account. Please unfollow it if you're following it, and please leave a comment if you have a minute. Go onto this piece of garbage and let other people know that this is not in any way legit. This is a complete ripoff, and I want it gone. And I'm assuming it won't disappear. My fear is, and here's what's going to happen, is this channel, this fake piece of crap page on Facebook, has 10,000 followers already, and this year I've gained probably 1,000 subscribers. So it won't be very long before this phony ripoff page is bigger than the actual thing. I cannot begin to say how disgusted I am that this has even happened. This presumably is for money. There's no reason anybody would want to pretend to be me other than to rip me off. So please understand, if you're watching my videos on that page, then that is all coming out of my pocket and going into some account very far away from you. Do not watch anything on this page. Please leave a comment to the effect that it is garbage. Please report it as fraud. Whatever we have to do, I'm really depending on you guys. If anybody has any advice for me or has had something like this happen to them, please leave it in the comments under this video. I really need to know what to do. As for moving forward, I guess I'm going to have to make a Facebook page now, and it'll be something like or something to that effect. I will let you guys know, and I'm going to have to put that together very, very soon here. And I guess this is how we fight this. Like, in no way is this legit, but we live in such a world now that this person, having just stolen my name and put up my videos, somehow has more rights than me. I don't know really what to do other than to ask you guys to please help me sort this out and help me make this garbage go away. I wish I had some more fun and interesting stuff to talk about today, but now this is taking up my time. I have to nip this in the bud because this is not going to go away. This is not going to get better. This person is not going to stop doing this on their own, out of their own goodwill. This is a scam, and this is a rip-off, and this is directly affecting me. In some ways, I guess I'm surprised it took this long, but I'm just beside myself with anger about this. And again, this is not about the pages that are clearly fan pages and labeled as such. And this page does say fan page on it, but why is the person answering questions as me then? Like, this is a ripoff. It's an AI bot piece of crap page, and I just want to let you guys know that I have zero patience for this kind of thing, and I want it gone. And since it's not going to go away, all we can do is make it not worth this person's time. If anybody has any other ideas about what we can do, please let me know. I will be taking all of your suggestions very seriously, and I really need to make this go away. I guess that's it. I thought that we would have something fun to talk about today, but now we got to talk about some bullshit problem like this, and I'm furious about it. Anyway, everybody, please have a terrific day. Thank you for watching. We'll see everybody on Saturday, unless that gets stolen too. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.